Bitcoin was the first. It was the pioneer, the trailblazer that introduced the world to the concept of digital currency. When it first appeared, many were skeptical. Could a digital currency really work? Could it be trusted? Over time, Bitcoin proved its worth, showing that a decentralized currency could indeed be viable. It was the awkward kid who made good. Just like that child who grows up to surprise everyone with their success, Bitcoin matured and gained respect. It went from being a niche interest to a household name, a symbol of financial innovation. Now everyone wants to talk crypto. It's the hot topic at dinner parties, in boardrooms, and on social media. People are fascinated by the potential of cryptocurrencies and the technology behind them. The conversation has shifted from what is Bitcoin to what else can blockchain do. But Bitcoin's success has spawned a whole family of digital currencies. These are the altcoins, the alternative cryptocurrencies that have emerged in Bitcoin's wake. Each one brings something new to the table, offering different features and benefits. They're like the younger siblings, eager to prove they're more than just a phase. These altcoins are not just riding on Bitcoin's coattails, they're carving out their own niches and addressing specific needs in the digital economy. These altcoins aren't just trying to be better Bitcoins, they're tackling different problems. For instance, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This opened up a whole new world of possibilities for decentralized applications. Imagine trying to pay for your morning coffee with a gold bar. That's Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is often compared to digital gold due to its value and scarcity, it's not always practical for everyday transactions. Altcoins are like having smaller denominations, making digital cash actually usable. Cryptocurrencies like Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash were created to facilitate faster and cheaper transactions, making them more suitable for daily use. But it's not just about payments. The world of altcoins is vast and varied, with each one offering unique functionalities. Some focus on privacy, like Monero and Zcash, which provide enhanced anonymity for users. These new cryptos are powering things like decentralized lending, digital art ownership, and even gaming. The rise of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, has revolutionized the art world, allowing artists to sell digital works directly to collectors, and even fractional ownership of real estate. Platforms like Realty allow investors to buy shares in real estate properties using cryptocurrency, making real estate investment more accessible to the average person. It's enough to make your head spin, but stick with me, it's about to get interesting. The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, with new projects and innovations emerging all the time. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, there's always something new to learn and explore in this exciting space. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a mouthful. It's also a middle finger to traditional finance. Remember all those bank fees you love? DeFi says, hold my beer. Imagine a world where you can lend, borrow, and earn interest without a bank breathing down your neck. That's the promise of DeFi. It's like a giant, transparent financial system run by robots and algorithms. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility and the occasional rug pull, but we'll get to that. DeFi is still the Wild West of finance, but hey, who doesn't love a good gold rush? Remember that time someone paid millions for a JPEG of a rock? That's an NFT. It might sound absurd, but this is the world we live in now. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have taken the digital world by storm, creating a new paradigm for ownership and value in the virtual space. Non-fungible tokens are like digital certificates of authenticity. They prove you own something unique, even if it exists only in the digital world. Think of them as the digital equivalent of a deed to a house or a certificate of authenticity for a piece of art. They provide a way to verify ownership and provenance in a space where copying and sharing are effortless. NFTs aren't just for digital art. While digital art is the most well-known application, the potential uses for NFTs are vast and varied. They can be used to represent ownership of any unique item, whether it's a piece of music, a video clip, or even a tweet. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. They can represent anything from virtual real estate in metaverses to event tickets. Imagine owning a piece of land in a virtual world where you can build and create just like in the real world. Or think about having a digital ticket to a concert or a sports event, which you can trade or sell just like a physical ticket. And even physical assets like cars. Yes, you heard that right. NFTs can be linked to physical items, providing a way to prove ownership and authenticity in the real world. Imagine buying a car and receiving an NFT that proves you are the rightful owner. This could revolutionize the way we buy and sell physical goods. Imagine getting a parking ticket for your NFT sports car. That's the future, baby. The integration of NFTs into everyday life could lead to some interesting and unexpected developments. From parking tickets to tolls, the possibilities are endless. NFTs are changing how we think about ownership in the digital age. Are they overhyped? Probably. The hype around NFTs has led to some outrageous prices and wild speculation. But beneath the hype, there is a fundamental shift happening in how we think about ownership and value in the digital world. Are they here to stay? Most definitely. The technology behind NFTs is solid and the potential applications are vast. As we continue to explore and innovate, NFTs will likely become an integral part of our digital lives. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is clear. NFTs are here to stay, and they're going to change the way we think about ownership forever. Section 4. Tokenizing the world, one deed at a time. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of tokenization, a revolutionary concept that is poised to transform the way we perceive and interact with assets. Imagine a world where every tangible asset can be represented digitally, making transactions seamless and instantaneous. Remember that dusty old deed proving you own your house? It's a piece of paper that holds significant value, yet it's cumbersome and prone to damage. What if there was a way to preserve its value while making it more accessible and secure? What if you could turn that into a digital token and trade it instantly? This is not just a futuristic dream, but a reality that is unfolding right before our eyes. By converting physical deeds into digital tokens, we can ensure their longevity and enhance their liquidity. That's the power of tokenization. It leverages blockchain technology to create a secure and immutable record of ownership. This process not only simplifies transactions, but also opens up new avenues for investment and ownership. We're talking about taking real-world assets like real estate, art, and even company shares and turning them into digital tokens. This means that you can own a fraction of a high-value asset without the need for substantial capital. Imagine owning a piece of a luxury apartment in New York, a share of a Picasso painting, or a stake in a promising startup, all through digital tokens. This democratizes access to high-value assets, making them available to a broader audience. This makes them easier to buy, sell, and track. With just a few clicks on your smartphone or laptop, you can trade these digital tokens on a secure and transparent marketplace. The days of lengthy paperwork and bureaucratic delays are over. It's like giving your grandma's antique china collection a digital makeover. By tokenizing these items, you can preserve their value and even trade them in a global marketplace. This brings a new level of convenience and security to asset management. Tokenization could revolutionize how we invest and interact with assets. It offers greater transparency, reduced transaction costs, and enhanced security. Investors can diversify their portfolios with ease, and asset owners can unlock liquidity without selling the entire asset. It's early days, but the potential is huge. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more assets being tokenized and new use cases emerging. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on the global economy could be profound. Just imagine buying a slice of your favorite artist's next masterpiece with the click of a button. This is the future of ownership and investment, where digital tokens make it possible to own and trade a diverse range of assets with unprecedented ease and security. The world of tokenization is just beginning, and its potential is boundless. Section 5. Wise words from crypto wizards. Cryptocurrency is such a powerful concept it can almost overturn governments, said Charles Hoskinson, founder of Cardano. Even Vitalik Buterin, the guy who invented Ethereum, says, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if you don't know what the basket is made of." These guys aren't just blowing smoke. Crypto is still a risky business. But as they say, fortune favors the bold and the well-informed. Section 6. Dive in, but wear a life jacket. So, you're ready to jump into the crypto waters? Good for you. Just remember, this isn't your grandma's savings account. It's more like a roller coaster ride with a side of existential dread. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your research. There are more scams in the crypto world than there are pigeons in Times Square. And most importantly, have fun. Crypto is a wild ride, but it's also incredibly exciting. Just remember to buckle up and enjoy the ride.